Welcome to my channel. How to log into Asus router. Connect to the router. Ensure your device, computer, smartphone, or tablet, is connected to the Asus router. You can connect via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser. Launch a web browser on your connected device. Popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge work best. Enter the router's IP address. In the address bar, type the default IP address for Asus routers, 192.168.1.1 or router.asus.com, and press Enter. Access the login page. You will be directed to the Asus router login page. This page is where you'll enter your credentials. Enter the username. The default username is usually admin unless you've changed it during initial setup. Enter the password. The default password is also typically admin, or it may be printed on a label on the router. If you've changed it, use your updated password. Click Login. After entering the username and password, click the Login button or press Enter. Access the router dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the router's dashboard or web GUI, where you can manage settings, update firmware, and check network status. Log out when finished. For security, log out of the router interface by clicking the Logout button, typically in the top right corner, after completing your tasks. Thank you for watching.